Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2014 Audi A4 Premium Plus Quattro 2.0 turbo, just serviced, really nice car, drives really good. Leather, sunroof, heated seats, Bluetooth. Overall, the exterior is in really good shape. We're asking $11,995 for it. And the interior, as you're about to see, is just as clean as the exterior. Let's see here, really nice leather, sunroof. Go ahead and give her a crank up. Push button start. 125,000 miles on this. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056, or you could email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Please check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody who may be interested. And we also do service all Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche vehicles. If you're in the need of service, definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking out this video.